pay. Only blessing to get on me day to day. Independent, can't have it no other way. From the garden, we had it the harder way. I ain't pulling no punches, I dominate. Getting busy, I'm sorry, you gotta wait. Presidential, I feel like I'm Popovich.
What up, man? We're at the Powered by JJ headquarters, about to fix our suspension and do a dyno run on NTK's bike and my bike, both two 125s. It's gonna be dope. So let's head on in. Let's see what Powered by JJ is doing right now. Maybe he's busy. Yo, open up. Let's go. Oh my god, look at these bikes, man. What do you guys think of this? How do you even say it? Gas?
Yeah, gas, man.
In Sweden we say gas. This crazy is placy. This crazy is placy. This place is crazy. It has one station for each bike.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4 stations.
Yeah.
Which is pretty crazy. So all these bikes are getting some more horses, getting something fixed or whatever.
Alright, so let's go check out what Powered by JJ is doing. I think he's renovating our suspensions right now. So let's go check it out. So he's actually working on my suspension. It's gonna be fun to see.
Let's see how it looks, because
Yeah.
he just fixed my suspension and it looked like water.
It looked terrible.
It was rusty.
Oh my god. Yo, what is that?
It didn't look good at all.
It looked terrible.
It felt pretty good to ride with, but it didn't look good.
It
was
didn't look good at all.
Rusty, watery, whatever. Just
But now it's top notch. So he has his own place for the forks, and it's the same with this dyno place right there as well.
Yeah.
Let's go and check out this other room. Oh my god, yo, this bike, this looks exactly like mine. This is where he does all the dyno runs, and we actually have NTK's bike right here. You may know it from either NTK or from this fucking sick exhaust, bro. So we're gonna do a dyno run on this 125 and on my 125. It's gonna be sick.
yeah. How are you today, Robert?
Yeah, I'm f***ing shit, man. It sounds like opening a beer.
Opening a beer, yeah.
Yeah, this looks nice. Okay, let's see the oil. Oh my god, yo, it looks nice. My suspension is like brand new. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna do a dyno run on my bike and NTK's bike. The titanium exhaust is gonna sound so crazy.
Catch it like Julio. I don't post it, we making the movie though. Anybody that doubted, they gotta pay. Only blessing to get on me day to day. Independent, can't have it no other way. From the garden, we had it the harder way. I ain't pulling no punches, I dominate. Getting busy, I'm sorry, you gotta wait. Presidential, I feel like I'm Popovich. If I blow up in my man, Popovich.
We're gonna do a top speed run and see the top speed of the bike now. 6th gear. Okay, bam, there we go. So there's two things that we can see. Number one is that my bike is not fast. And number two, it has 35 horsepower, right?
Okay, so Gebel,
on the rear wheel.
How fast was your bike?
The top speed is only 116 kilometers per hour.
That's nothing, bro.
So when I try to ride with you guys, I really have to go high revs.
It was so much fun. He was riding with us. It was like, why can't Gebel keep up? He can't keep up. But bro, his top speed is 116. That's nothing.
Yeah.
That's maxed out on 6th gear. Maxed out.
It felt like no one believed me. I was like, yeah, my bike is not that fast. And they're like, yeah, just go faster.
Yeah, it's cool, yeah.
And I'm like, I don't want to blow my engine up.
And how many horses did you have?
So 35 horses. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
sick.
But I have to do something about this gearing because this bike is not fast.
Yeah, for sure, man.
All right, so we're gonna have to change out the gearing a little bit so it goes faster. I'm super excited about that. We're gonna film a lot of sick videos and more raw content for you guys. We're done now with the bikes. Oh my god. I want to see in the comments right now if you want me and MTK to make a crazy raw 2-stroke video with our 125s. Type the bread emoji in the comments right now.